Yeah? You think that he'll eat the salami?
Yeah. You eat it all out in his tummy.
In his tummy.
Why some of the animals want salami?
Oh, I don't think that we'll give any of the animals the salami.
Why you won't?
Well, because I bought it special just for us.
But they don't want. They don't like some.
They probably wouldn't like it, no. It'd probably be a little too spicy for them.
And they will get their tongue green.
I don't know if their tongue would turn green, but oh, there's another sign, says straight ahead. But they might not like it.
What happens if you give them
I
some?
don't know where I'm going. Shoot, okay.
What happens if you give them some?
Well, they would probably just leave it on the ground and not eat it. They may try it, but they probably wouldn't like it. Because birds usually eat seeds and stuff. They don't usually eat meat. Some birds like meat, but not the birds here.
Why they don't like it?
I don't know.
And they like salami.
Hey, look what's on the road up ahead. Can you see this?
Yeah.
What's in my way on the road up here? What is this?
Something.
Yeah, what does it look like?
A horsey.
A horsey! Yeah, that's funny to see the horsey on the road. It was nice that he pulled over for us, though.
I saw on my one.
Look, we're gonna go on a bridge. An old wooden bridge.
What all the birds doing? I think all the animals were around here somewhere.
Do you think so? They're around somewhere?
Yeah, are we going over the bridge?
We are going over the bridge.
Well, we are.
Very old bridge. A little bit rickety. There's lots of directions.
It's all directed.
Yeah, I don't see anything.
Look, there's a truck.
Mm-hmm.
I saw my spot. What's that one house doing?
It's being built.
What are building it?
I don't know. Maybe somebody wanted a new house, and so they thought they'd build one.
Did they took the big house apart?
And they may have taken another house apart. You're right.
Yes, they did.
Yes, they did.
They want that one.
Yeah, yeah, you're right. They could want that one.
Why they want that one?
Well, sometimes people like the design of an old house, but they just want to fix it up. So they'll take bits and pieces of it apart and then redo it. So it's kind of like an old house, but it's kind of like a new house. It's just been redesigned and renovated. You say renovated?
Renovate.
Very good. Renovated. Oh, buddy, I don't know if we're going in the right place. There's no signs, no nothing. I'm not too fussy about this.
You'll just see this.
Okay. I'll keep looking.
You'll look.
I'm looking.
You will see.
Let me see. What does this say?
I don't know.
To the road where the road ends. Okay. Well, we're still going, so the road hasn't ended. We have to keep our eye open for big black gates. Holy! Can you see all the birds up in the sky? Maybe that means we're going to the right place. Do you see them all? Look up in the sky. Out your window. Out your window and up in the sky.
What are you doing?
Holy Hannah. Hey, look at all the pumpkins.
What are you doing? Well, let's go see them.
that was somebody's farm. I don't think we could just show up and go see them, but
Our farm. Where's our farm?
in PEI. That is as close as we will ever get to a farm.
You won't go Grammy.
Yeah, when you go see Grammy, you can see your farm. Grammy has flowers and sometimes vegetables planted. And this is the type of lawnmower that Grampy has. He rides on his like that man, and he has a tractor.
Why does he have a tractor?
To mow the lawn and to plow the snow and do all kinds of stuff.
We will play in the snow.
Yeah, you could play in the snow too. You already went to see Grammy one time when it was snowing, but you were just a little baby. You probably don't remember. So you should probably go again.